Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be explaining you about the 1Password app and how to use it. Let's get started. 1Password is a digital vault where you can safely store all your passwords, login details, credit cards, bank info, and even private notes. It uses strong encryption to protect your data, meaning not even 1Password can access the information without your master password. Instead of keeping sticky notes, spreadsheets, or using the same password everywhere, 1Password helps you create and manage unique, strong passwords for every account. And here's the best part, you only need to remember your one single master password to unlock everything. Let's get started. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Then create your account, sign up using your email. The app will ask you to create a master password. Choose something strong but memorable because this is the key to your entire vault. Once you're inside, you'll see your secure vault where all your logins and information will be stored. Tap the plus button right here at the top and enter the username, password, and website for your accounts. For example, your Facebook, Gmail, or Netflix login. Next time you try logging in, 1Password can automatically fill your details, saving you from typing and remembering them. Beyond logins, you can also store credit card numbers, Wi-Fi passwords, and even passport details safely in the vault. This app creates super strong passwords that hackers can't guess. No more copy-paste, just tap and go. You can organize passwords in categories like work, family, or personal, and everything is available on your phone, tablet, and computer. You can use Face ID or fingerprint for quick and secure access. You can also temporarily hide sensitive data when crossing borders, then restore it later. And that is how you can use the 1Password app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.